Hello and welcome. We are back to Business Kit, and today we're talking about the accounting package as part of the Business Kit. Yes. So as you can see from my screen, if you open your left menu here, just click on this accounting icon. So it will give you like five submenus. Let me just say five. Yes. You have the income, you have the expense, you have the journals, you have the transactions, and you have the chart of account. Yes. I've tried to open each of these menus as a tab so it didn't take much of our time. So so here is the income, and as you can see, I've actually created like a lot of incomes. Yes. So it's very straightforward. You can just come here, raise income, and you can raise your income. Just fill the details and then click on submit. Yes, and that's all. So the expense is like just like income. It's just it's just the time that make it different. Income when that comes in, and the expenses. Yes. So it's still the same thing. The journals, yes. Journals, like the accountant will say, it's just to make corrections. Try to do a kind of maybe balancing some accounts. Yes. And it still follow the same route with the income and the expense. Just come here, click on raise a journal. Exactly. So transaction page is the one that actually encapsulates all your latest transactions. Yes. And as you can see from my screen, I've actually made a whole lot of transactions. You can filter, sort, you can show me if you want to show everything. You can filter by posting date. You can filter by reference number. That's all. And then we have the list of chart of accounts. Yes, these are like your ledgers, as the accountant would say. Yes. We have like I've said in my last video that we have pre-populated this platform with 78 chart of accounts. On the maximum, yeah, for small and medium scale businesses. Yes. And if you can see from my screen here, this thing is not actually giving me any kind of analysis, or let me say summation or computation, so to say. So we actually have two views for this chart of accounts. The first one is this for easy. You can just come here and check your balances. And the second one is computed view. Yes, this computed view. This actually do a kind of computation for you, and it's very cool. Yes. So let's 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 see how it looks like. Yes. So this is a computed view. Yes. And as you can see, we have actually do the category for you, category of accounts. That's six, yes. The asset, we have the liability, we have the income, expense, equity, and cost of sales, yes. And if I open my current asset and I check my cash and cash equivalent, and as you can see, I'm actually seeing all my banks, yes. And from the top here, if you look at this to value here, they're actually giving me the total sum of my credit balance of all my current assets, my debit balance, yes. And the same thing is for every other category. As you can see, it's very cool, yes. And like I used to say, you can talk to us 24/7. We are here. If there is anything that's not very clear to you, you can just put in your name, email address, phone number, and then you can just chat with us. Or you can send us email address and go to the details. Contact us, and then you can just copy our email address and forward it to us. So thank you, and I will see you next time.